Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are on our second video review of the unboxing of the T500 Ultimate Smartwatch. This time, we are going to check on the menus and features offered on our T500 Ultimate Smartwatch. On our previous video, we covered the specs, design, and basic UI of our T500 Ultimate Smartwatch. This time we are going to focus on the different features. Again, this smartwatch is using the iWatch Pro Support App, and we have a 1.99-inch screen display. So if you have any questions regarding this video review for the T500 Ultimate Smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Okay, so let's begin and explore the different menus and features of our T500 Ultimate Smartwatch. So this one, the crown button is rotary button. We do have a return button. And we do have a very good screen, bright display, very slim bezel here. I like the screen display here, very bright, and the graphics are sharp. For the UI, on top we have the notifications. On the bottom part we have the different access to important settings of your wearable, shortcut settings. On the other side, the left side, we have the split screen. On the right side, we do have different watch faces. You can swipe if you want to change the watch face. You can also use the crown button. To access the main menu, just press the crown button here. And we have here the dialer, the phone book, the heart rate, the blood oxygen, health recycling, ECG, sports monitoring function, camera, blood pressure, music control, reset, weather, looking for sleep monitoring. We also have the menu style. We have at least 6. Okay, let's go back to our menu style, style number 2. And we also have weather, menu style, message notification or push notifications. We also have stopwatch, the QR code for the support app, Facebook. So this is notifications only, the same with Twitter and WhatsApp application. We also have a game here, calendar, calculator. Let's see. We also have here a calendar, breathing guide, and here on our settings we have change the watch. Okay, Siri, you should be connected to the Bluetooth call or Bluetooth connectivity. You have dynamic island, set language. You have several language supported here. Set date, backlight time, we also have it here. Go back time, bed lamp mode, side key settings. So we can change the side key settings here. Okay, I think this is a return. Let's see. Let's just see later on. More, backlight time, side key settings, split screen. You can also disable this if you want. For the sports, let's see. We have running, bike riding, strength training, basketball, tennis, volleyball, and football. Okay, let's return. Go back. So as you can see here, we activated the dynamic island. Let's see if we press this one. Okay, it's not working for the side key button. I think the side key button menu there is only It only works for the Watch Ultra clone with the orange action button on the side. Menu style, let's try some of this. We have here the dialer. Style number 2, 3. So we do have a grid style. And style number 4, rotary style. Style number 5. Okay, it's almost the same with the rotary style. Style number 1, that is the bubble type menu or honeycomb. Okay, zoom in. There's no support for zooming in or zooming out. Okay, for the crown button. Going back. Style number 2. Okay, so that's it for the different features and menus of our T500 Ultimate Smartwatch. Also have here, do we have a blood pressure? Yes, we do have a blood pressure monitoring, music control function, weather, looking for sleep monitoring, stopwatch, and other important and smart functions. Okay, so that's it for the different menus and features of our T500 Ultimate Smartwatch. On our next video, we are going to pair it with a iWatch Pro application. So if you have any questions regarding the T500 Ultimate Smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye!